A good home remedy for high blood pressure is to drink blueberry juice daily or to consume garlic water, for example. In addition, various types of teas, such as hibiscus tea or olive leaves, also appear to have excellent antihypertensive properties that help control blood pressure. Although these home remedies are useful to complement the treatment of high blood pressure, they should only be taken with the knowledge of the cardiologist, as they do not dispense with the drugs prescribed by the doctor. Garlic water is an excellent way to regulate blood pressure because it stimulates the production of nitric oxide, which is a gas with a strong vasodilating action, which facilitates blood circulation and reduces pressure on the heart. In addition, garlic is also a great ally to maintain the cardiovascular health of anyone, as it has incredible antioxidant and protective properties of blood vessels that prevent the appearance of problems such as atherosclerosis. A good way to consume garlic is to use flavored water throughout the day. Olive leaves are one of the best natural remedies for high blood pressure because through the action of their polyphenols, they manage to regulate blood pressure and lower it without the risk of causing hypotension, even if consumed in excess. In addition, they also cause a slight calming and relaxing effect that helps control symptoms in people who suffer from constant anxiety, for example. Addition to being an excellent source of antioxidants, which fights diseases like cancer and prevents premature aging, blueberries also help to lower blood pressure, especially when consumed daily. In addition, its action seems to be more noticeable in people at high cardiovascular risk, such as obese or people with metabolic syndrome. Thus, it can be used as a complement to the treatment indicated by the doctor. Hibiscus is a plant that has been popularly used to help with the weight loss process. However, this plant has other important effects, such as lowering blood pressure. This happens due to its rich composition in anthocyanins, which are flavonoids that help in the regulation of blood pressure. However, in order to obtain the best result, flowered chalices with darker colors should be used. Chalices are the structures that connect the stem of the flower to the petals. The darker the hibiscus flowers, the greater the number of anthocyanins, and the greater their effect against high blood pressure. Another good home remedy for high blood pressure is to eat a fruit called mango or drink tea from the mango peel because it has vasodilate properties that help to lower the pressure. Valerian roots have excellent muscle calming and relaxing properties that help to improve blood circulation. In addition, because it is very calming and acts directly on the neurotransmitter GABA, valerian can be used especially by those who have frequent anxiety attacks, which lead to increased blood pressure.